Folicure Incorporated, a premier Dallas hair replacement studio, releases new resource on taking care of aging hair. As we age, hair problems such as thinning and hair loss occur. Here are several hair care tips from non-surgical hair restoration experts from Folicure Incorporated that can help you lessen or avoid them. First, trimming one's hair should be done regularly. Do this at least every 6 to 8 weeks to avoid split ends and to encourage hair growth. Next, you need to avoid hair products containing harsh ingredients. Buy mild and nourishing ingredients like keratin, argan oil, and aloe vera. You should also only wash your hair occasionally. Aging scalps create less oil, thus, you need to change your washing routine accordingly. It would help to minimize using heat styling tools because this can damage your hair. You also need to avoid or lessen being stressed. This is because chronic stress can influence hair health and appearance. Taking hair vitamins is also a must. Protein, collagen, and essential vitamins in your diet can help improve hair health inside and out. Last but not least, try hair replacement alternatives such as Folicure Hair. If you've tried all other options but didn't get the expected result, Folicure's hair replacement service might be right for you. Contact Folicure Dallas Hair Replacement Studio today for a free consultation and learn more about the advantages of non-surgical hair restoration. Source: hair restoration experts from DFW. Folicure Dallas give top 7 strategies for taking care of aging hair. Media contact: Pam Florig, 214-691-5700. Folicure Hair Incorporated. Driving directions: Dallas Hair Replacement Studio, Folicure Incorporated.